In the event of a leak, the GPS will alert you via text and email. Leak notifications are sent once every 24 hours for every leak detected until the leak has been resolved. Alerts for leak detected and leak resolved are enabled by default by the GPS. Alerts for other cases such as offline/online, tamper, and temperature can be set by the property manager as desired by using the GPS dashboard. To see the alerts set up for each leak detector, go to its location of install on the dashboard, then click Menu and then Alerts. You will be able to see the existing alert type for all leak detectors at that property. You can turn on or off the alert or edit the alert for each leak detector. To create a new alert for a leak detector, click on Create Alert. Then select the device you want the alert to be set up for under the Device tab. You can specify what kind of alert you wish to receive under Alert Type, and then set an alert name. You can also add conditions and rules when necessary. To get notified when an alert is triggered, enter your contact information under Add Recipient. To apply the same notification settings to other devices at that property, use the drop-down list at the bottom of the page next to Choose Devices. Finally, click on Save Alert when done.